Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings on the Schedule 1 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Schedule 1 game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to optimize the graphics settings for best performance, then click on the settings option. Now here you will first be taken into the display page. Here you can choose your screen resolution and also enable VSync if you notice screen tears within your game. You can also increase the target frame rate and have it match with the refresh rate of your display unit. Then you can go into the graphics settings and you will now see the quality option. Now if your device supports it, then click on the drop down menu and click on Ultra at the beginning. This will now use the Ultra preset, and you can also enable SSAO as well as God Rays. Use the SMAA anti-aliasing method, and now once your settings have been applied, you can go back into your game and see how your settings feel. If your game is running smoothly and you don't notice any issues, then you can continue to use these settings. Otherwise, you can go back into the graphics page and try reducing the quality by one step. You can also try turning off God Rays and reducing the field of view. By following this pattern, you can find the optimal settings for your device and continue to play with a balanced performance as well as quality. So there you have it. That is how you can optimize the graphics settings on the Schedule 1 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.